Welcome to the Houston Grass Podcast, where we talk about how to buy, install, and care for your grass in the Houston area. In this episode, Houston Grass owner Michael Romine answers some of the questions we see people asking online. If you have a question about grass in the Houston area, please call us at 281-431-7441. Here's Michael.
Where can I buy premium grass sod for residential lawns near me? Here at Houston Grass, we pride ourselves on the quality of our grass. I always tell people that I think you will have a hard time finding a product that surpasses the quality of the grass that my family's farm turns out. My dad decided over 40 years ago when he started this company that the way he was going to differentiate himself from his competitors is to turn out a product that is second to none. And we would stack our grass up next to anyone, any day, and we would feel pretty confident that we're coming out on top. Which companies offer delivery and installation of grass sod in my area? Here at Houston Grass, that is all we do. We do not do anything else. Big box stores sell grass, other places do it as kind of a side business. We have been doing this for over 20 years, and it is the only thing we do. We do not sell mulch, we do not sell stone or anything like that. But we only sell grass, and we do it year round. And if you have questions about that grass, you don't need to purchase anything at the moment. You're welcome to call us and pick our brains. We've got a fairly good wealth of knowledge here amongst us. Which companies offer delivery and installation of grass sod in my area? Here at Houston Grass, all we do is sell grass. We deliver grass and we install grass. We do not have any other side businesses or anything like that. We do this year round. We have one installer that has all of the equipment to deliver grass. He has large dump trailers to haul old grass off. He's got, whether the job is big or small, he's got everything that he needs to do it, and he's been doing it for us for probably over 15 years. And just like our grass is second to none, his install work is second to none as well. And I would stack his work next to a competitor's at any point and feel confident that he would come out on top. What are the best options for drought-resistant grass sod available locally? If I was to make a list of all the grasses that we sell, there are a few of them that are more drought tolerant than others. We always say that these grasses need about an inch of water a week to thrive and do well. Some of them can get along okay with a little less than water than that, but there are stipulations. The most drought tolerant grass we probably have is Bermuda grasses. However, Bermuda grasses cannot tolerate any shade at all. So if you've got any trees or anything like that, that can be an issue. There's also cobalt, St. Augustine. Cobalt brings a lot of things to the table. It has very good drought tolerance for a St. Augustine for sure, and it also has very good shade tolerance. That is one of its greatest attributes. There are a couple of others, but those are certainly two that are at the top of the list. Where can I find affordable grass sod suppliers with good customer reviews? Here at Houston Grass, we pride ourselves in turning out a good product and providing fantastic customer service. If you will Google us or look on our website at our reviews, we get reviews pretty regularly. They come in from several different areas, and it always is like a pat on the back to me. People are constantly complimenting our employees, and they are certainly complimenting the product that they are receiving from us. And we pride ourselves in our 5-star Google rating. If you look at our website, there's just now, I'm sure there's hundreds of reviews that we've gotten over the years. That is not the number one thing that we're looking for, but it shows, it's the end result, I guess, of all the effort that we put into growing a product that is superior to our competitors, and the customer service that you receive here at Houston Grass, I believe, is second to none as well. What grass sod varieties are recommended for high traffic yards from local suppliers? The reason they use Bermuda grass on sports field is because it was designed for high traffic, and what happens is it's the fastest regenerating grass, I believe, out there. There are others as well, but Bermuda grass, as long as you get that 100% sunlight, Bermuda grass recuperates the fastest. So if it's out on golf courses, when they take a divot, that it recuperates the fastest. And there are a lot of reasons for that, but what you need to know and what is important is that Bermuda grass is, if you're looking for some area that's going to be a high traffic area, as long as you get that 100% sunlight, Bermuda grass is the way to go for high traffic areas. Where can I order grass sod with guaranteed freshness and quality? Here at Houston Grass, we turn out only the best. We do not sell like the big box stores. You show up and you look over in their parking lots and you see grass that is barely resembles grass anymore. We don't do that. The only thing we do is sell grass year round. When it gets really hot in the summertime, it's hard to keep grass alive on the pallet, so we keep less available, but we are constantly turning our inventory to make sure that it is the freshest and greenest grass that you can find out there. Which providers offer bulk grass sod sales for large landscaping products? At Houston Grass, we sell pieces of grass, we sell pallets of grass, and we sell truckloads of grass. We can bring, I think 8,100 square feet is the amount that we can bring on one 18-wheeler, and we can line multiple 18-wheelers up if you need it. Different people have different ideas of what bulk means, but we can deliver 450 square foot pallets, and we can deliver whole 18-wheelers. And again, we can bring you many of those if you have a large commercial project or a large home that needs to be covered. Please give us a call if you have a large project that needs grass. Where can I find installers experienced with specific grass sod types? We have an installer that has been installing our grass for probably 15 years, and he is the best I have ever seen do this. We get lots of compliments on our grass. We probably get just as many compliments on the gentleman that does the work for us, him and his crew and their equipment and all their trailers and whatnot. They are very good at what they do. And as far as grass types go, the zoysias, the St. Augustines, the Bermuda grasses that we sell, they can do all of them. I would not say that they do one better than the other. They make our fantastic looking grass look even better when they do the proper prep work and they're done and they walk away from a job. Their work is second to none.
Michael would also like to remind everyone that October is the time of the year to be looking for signs of brown patch and to use Heritage G fungicide to prevent brown patch in your grass. It's also time to apply Nitro-Phos Fall Special Fertilizer and Barricade Pre-Emergent to prep your grass for a great start in 2026. We have these lawn care products in stock at our office in Arcola, just off Highway 6 at McKeever Road and a few miles east of Siena. Fall is a great time to plant grass sod, and we should have enough warm weather ahead for the sod to root down and get established before the cold weather arrives. Call Houston Grass at 281-431-7441 to get started. Thanks for listening to the Houston Grass Podcast.